channel. So today I have a really good recipe for you guys today, I guess. Okay, so we are going to steam crab legs. By the way, I went and bought this Ninja Foodi. Like, this does everything. So I am going to test it out today, and we're going to steam some crab legs, shrimp, and potatoes in it. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. I have my crab legs here, so they are still frozen. I just rinsed the ice off the outside of it so that I can get it inside my Ninja Foodi. So I'm just going to take some butter here, and I am just going to mash it down in the cluster part. Like that. And look at the other one. Maybe I should have used softened butter, but it's okay. And that's it for the crab legs. Next, for our shrimp, what I'm gonna do is just toss the butter over top of them. Sorry. And they're still frozen. The butter is freezing. It's okay. So we're just gonna toss our melted butter over top of our shrimp. It should look something like that. So this is my 8-quart Ninja Foodi, and I'm about to steam our crab legs. So with that being said, I use this top versus this top. So what I'm going to do is open it, take you guys inside, and because I have potatoes I'm putting in here, which I wash, just baby potatoes, I'm going to put them at the bottom. And I am going to take my crab legs and I'm going to place them in here. So I am using the reversible basket that came with it, by the way. Put my other crab leg in there. Let me turn it this way. And I am going to take my shrimps. They look messy. And I'm going to just toss them over in here any kind of way. And I'm just going to scrape the butter out of this bowl and put it in here. Next, I am going to add, I'm adding 2 cups of water. So that's 1 cup. And this is 2 cups. So 2 cups of water. Just gonna sprinkle Old Bay seasoning in here. Your desired amount. I don't have no measurement. I'm just shaking. So now we're gonna go on to placing the lid on it, locking it, making sure, I know you can't see it, but making sure our button here is on bent. No, I'm sorry, seal. So we wanted to go that way. We want it on seal. we're gonna hit the on button. And we're gonna hit steam. We're gonna set the timer for 20 minutes. And we're going to hit start. And it's counting down. So, we'll be back in a few. We are down to the seconds. So, once the timer finished, I am going to turn the release valve to vent. There we go. Done. We're going to check them. I'm not quite sure about the potatoes, but we'll see. So I'm going to take my valve here and put it to vent just in case. There's a little steam coming up. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Just a little steam. And we're going to check them. I'm going to open it up. Look at that. Look at those crab legs. They smell amazing. You guys see that? This steamer is amazing. So, trying to get a shrimp here. They keep falling. Okay. So, we got a shrimp here. They are nice and orange. They are done completely. Let's check out potatoes. I'm unsure about these potatoes, but let's see. They're nice and soft. The fork goes right through them, as you can see. They're not hard. They're not hard, so they steam beautiful. Okay, so there you have it. Steamed crab legs in our Ninja Foodi. Yes, amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my steamed crab leg, steamed shrimp, and steamed potatoes in my Ninja Foodi. I know I definitely enjoyed it. It was amazing, as always. So, I have more videos coming up, you know, using the Ninja Foodi. So, stay tuned. Make sure your bell is on. And make sure you have subscribed so that you will not miss an upload, okay? So, with no further ado, as always, thanks for watching. Bye!